100 Essential Business Questions. Insights from Business Leaders. Introduction. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your established business, understanding the common questions experienced leaders face can provide invaluable insights. This video compiles 100 essential questions from honest businessmen, covering everything from building a solid foundation to overcoming challenges and planning for the future. Dive in to gain practical wisdom, hear inspiring stories, and learn the secrets to business success. In this video, we have categorized these 100 questions under the following headings: Introduction to the family business, behind the scenes, the team, customer focus, products, services spotlight, community engagement, future of business, 10 viewers-specific questions, 10 general questions, 10 interview-style questions. A. Introduction to the family business. 1. What inspired the founding of your family business? 2. How did you choose the industry or niche you operate in? 3. What were some initial challenges faced during the early days? 4. Can you share a significant milestone in the business history? 5. How has the business evolved over the years? 6. What is the core mission of your business? 7. How do your core values reflect in your daily operations? 8. What are your long-term goals for the business? 9. How do you differentiate your products, services from competitors? 10. What unique value do you offer to your market? B. Behind the scenes. 11. What does a typical day at your business look like? 12. Who are the key team members, and what are their roles? 13. Can you describe a significant challenge your business faced and how you overcame it? 14. What are some of your most notable achievements? 15. What activities do you do to promote team spirit? 16. Are there any unique traditions that your company follows? 17. How do you ensure a positive company culture? 18. What kind of team building activities do you organize? 19. How do you foster collaboration among team members? 20. What makes your company's culture unique? C. The team. 21. What roles do family members play in the business? 22. How do different family members contribute to the success of the business? 23. Can you share personal anecdotes about family members working together? 24. What stories best illustrate the dedication of your team? 25. How do you ensure professional and personal life balance when working with family? 26. What are some unique challenges of working with family members? 27. How do you address conflicts within the family team? 28. How do you spot and nurture talent within your team? 29. What programs do you have for employee training and development? 30. Can you highlight an employee growth story? D. Customer focus. 31. Can you share a customer testimonial that highlights your business's strengths? 32. What success stories have you had with your customers? 33. How do you measure customer satisfaction? 34. What strategies do you use to ensure top-notch customer service? 35. How do you handle customer feedback, both positive and negative? 36. Can you share a story about going above and beyond for a customer? 37. What unique practices does your business use to enhance customer service? 38. How do you build and maintain strong customer relationships? 39. What are some customer service challenges you faced? 40. How do you train your team to deliver excellent customer service? E. Products, services spotlight. 41. What are your best-selling products or services, and why do customers love them? 42. Can you share feedback from customers about your best sellers? 43. How do you come up with new product or service ideas? 44. What innovative processes do you use in product development? 45. How do you ensure the quality of your products, services? 46. Can you describe the development process of one of your products? 47. What upcoming releases are you excited about? 48. How are new products, services being developed? 49. How do you gather customer input for product development? 50. What differentiates your products, services from the competition? F. Community engagement. 51. What community projects or initiatives is your business involved in? 52. How do you choose which community projects to support? 53. Can you share a story about a successful community project? 54. What partnerships do you have with local businesses? 55. How do these partnerships benefit both parties? 56. What are your philanthropic efforts? 57. How do you measure the impact of your charitable activities? 58. Can you describe a collaboration with a nonprofit organization? 59. How does your business give back to the community? 60. What is a memorable moment from your community engagement activities? G. Future of Business. 61. What are your plans for expanding the business? 62. What new markets are you exploring? 63. How do you stay ahead of industry trends? 64. What upcoming innovations are you excited about? 65. How does technology play a role in your business's future? 66. What sustainability efforts are you undertaking? 67. How do you plan to incorporate sustainability into your business model? 68. What challenges do you foresee in the future, and how will you address them? 69. What new opportunities are on the horizon for your business? 70. How do you envision the business in the next 5, 10, 20 years? H. 10 viewers-specific questions. 71. What are the key takeaways you want viewers to remember? 72. How can viewers support your business? 73. What call to action would you like to leave your viewers with? 74. Why is it important for customers to engage with your business? 75. How do you maintain a strong connection with your customers? 76. What main messages do you want to convey about your business? 77. How can viewers learn more about your products, services? 78. What future content can viewers look forward to from your business? 79. What impact do you hope your business will have on the community? 80. How do you celebrate your business's successes? I. 10 general questions. 81. What inspired you to join the family business? 82. How do you balance innovation with tradition? 83. Can you share a funny story from the early days of the business? 84. What is your biggest lesson from running a family business? 85. How has customer feedback shaped your business? 86. What motivates you to keep improving your business? 87. How do you stay connected with industry developments? 88. What role does social media play in your business strategy? 89. How do you handle work-life balance as a business owner? 90. What advice would you give to someone starting a family business? J. 10 interview-style questions. 91. What challenges did you face when starting the business? 92. How has the business changed since it was founded? 93. What makes your family business unique? 94. How do you manage disagreements within the team? 95. What are some of your proudest moments in the business? 96. How do you ensure the business stays true to its values? 97. What role does innovation play in your business? 98. How do you celebrate the business's milestones? 99. What are your goals for the next year? 100. What message do you have for your loyal customers? Conclusion. These 100 questions reflect business leaders' journey, challenges, and ambitions across various industries. By exploring these questions, you learn from their experiences and gain clarity and guidance for your business path. Remember, business success is a continuous journey of learning and adapting. We hope these insights inspire you to think deeply, act decisively, and build a legacy in your field. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep asking the right questions. Thank you for watching the video. Please look for Basheer Juma for other videos.